This is the Desmond Show.
So you are here eating this bread alone. That's unfair, and I've been inside since waiting and
Just calm down, Joe. It's a bread running away. Calm down, Joe. You're taking this too much. Calm down. This month. What's going on? What's wrong with you? What's this?
MC Desmond Cares.